Now I will discuss about the testing. There are two types of testing we used, destructive testing and non-destructive testing. In a destructive testing, you consider the sample and under the test, the sample is destroyed and you cannot use further. This is called the destructive testing. In non-destructive testing, we are using a sample. Without destroying the sample, we find out the properties of the material or investigate the properties of the material is known as the non-destructive testing. So see the first point. In this method, the sample under test is destroyed and cannot be used for any purpose after the test. Example, tensile test, impact test. In non-destructive testing, this type of testing does not change the structural property of the material under investigation, so the material can be used further. Example of the non-destructive testing, ultrasonic testing, radiology testing, etc. Disadvantages of destructive testing is sample under the investigation is destroyed. Disadvantages, the technique is expensive and time consuming. The destructive tests are used to find out the mechanical properties like hardness, toughness, compressive strength, yield strength, and tensile strength. These tests are generally used to find out defects in the material. This is the basic difference between the destructive testing and the non-destructive testing. Now, non-destructive testing is represented by NDT. The basic purpose of non-destructive test is used to determine the overall quality of the product without impairing properties of the material. Means without damaging the sample, we investigate the properties of the material. This is done by low intensity sound waves which do not cause any change in the physical and chemical characteristic of the material under test. The ultrasonic wave are propagated into the piece under the inspection. The defects such as cracks, cavity, flex are detected by the reflection of the wave at interface in the object. This is done without any damage to the piece under the test. Now we see the different types of NDT methods. Different types of NDT methods. The first is liquid penetration method, magnetic method, ultrasonic method, radiographic testing, acoustic emission testing, thermal method, pulse echo method, AD current testing. NDT is a testing and analysis technique used by industry to evaluate the properties of material, component, characteristic of material, welding defect, discontinuity without damaging the original part of the sample.